So this is the Avatar Flight of Passage Fast Pass queue. So here's some details about this ride. Avatar Flight of Passage is kind of like Soaring, except you sit in this chair that's kind of like a bike, but it's not a bike. It's a link chair where you fly. It's kind of like you're flying on a banshee. So we'll look around the scenery around here. There's a lot of rocks around here. And there's the waterfall, Pandora Falls. And there's more of the queue up ahead of us. And we're coming across the Pandoran River. And there it is. And so that leads us inside of the cave. Looks like we're about to have some fun flying on a banshee. So this is the Avatar Cave, which is part of the queue. And there's some paintings of avatars up there in the standby. It's kind of hard to see. Oh, there's a few here in the Fast Pass section, right there. And we're about to come into the lab, which is the Avatar Lab. Fast Pass Lane, Avatar Access. So this is the tunnel or the Fast Pass, and sometimes standby comes in on that side if the line is short at opening time. A link feels real because it is. You'll feel like you're riding on a banshee. Oh, and there's the standby. And I guess that's all for the queue now. Have a great flight.